Glowing star, sparkling heart, unleash your passion. The art of captivating a woman, sparkling heart, glowing star. Gentlemen, are you prepared to ignite a fire in her heart and awaken her deepest desires? Here are some secrets to captivate a woman and leave her spellbound. Keycap 1. Embody elegance. Timeless charm never fails to impress. Embrace chivalry, open doors, offer your seat, and treat her with utmost respect. Keycap 2. Engage and empathize. Demonstrate sincere interest in her thoughts and emotions. Effective communication forms the foundation of a profound connection. Keycap 3. Thrill and enchant. Keep the spark alive by orchestrating unexpected rendezvous and thoughtful surprises. Small gestures of affection hold immense power. Keycap 4. Radiate confidence. Embrace your self-assurance and exude confidence in your identity. A man who values himself is undeniably attractive. Keycap 5. Embrace authenticity. Stay true to yourself and let your true essence illuminate. Authenticity is a magnet for allure.